As Ukraine has many amazing drone operators, this one stands out as truly amazing. As a bomber drone is sending high explosive dual-purpose grenade with probably some extra explosive material down from high heights. The altitude helps the drone not to get spotted, and flying with wings allows it to carry more payload with longer range as it creates more lift during flight. But while the height does make the precision harder, this drone operator more than compensates for this, as each strike is done extremely well, hitting several different targets with pinpoint accuracy, leading to multiple targets being able to be taken out with a single run, destroying more Russian equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.